Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's something very exciting because I ordered these and finally got them in the mail. And this is the Kathleenlights Twinkling Lights collection from Colourpop. And I'm so excited to try these guys out. So first you get the lip bundle here. It comes with 4 liquid lipsticks. And this packaging is absolutely precious. I want to keep it so bad. So this is what it looks like here in the package. So we have the 4 lip products. We have one ultra matte lip. We have one ultra satin lip, and then it looks like 2 ultra glossy lips. So these are beautiful and I'm excited to try these. And then also in the collection, she did come out with 4 Super Shock shadows. I only ended up picking up 2 of them because these looked like the more wearable ones for me anyway. So I ended up getting the shades Light Up. So it's like the shimmery shade here, and then the shade Glisten, which is more like a peachy shimmery shade as well, but like not as intense shimmer. So anyway, I just wanted to talk to you guys about these, show you guys how the products work and whatnot. So we're going to be testing these on our face today, so I'm going to zoom you guys up so we can do eyeshadow. Okay, so we are up close and personal now. So I'm going to take Glisten and we're going to try and put it on a eyeshadow brush, try to use it on a brush. Sometimes the Super Shock shadows work well with a brush, and sometimes they just don't. That's just how it goes. But I'm going to try it on a brush first and show you guys what it looks like in the crease. I know Kathleen said this is like one of her go-to everyday like crease shade colors, and it looked so pretty on her that I just needed to try it on myself. Okay, so with the brush I'm not getting a lot. I'm not sure if you can tell. I am getting color payoff, but I don't see a lot of the sparkles. So next I'm going to actually take it on my finger and put it on my right eye and just blend it out with my finger, seeing if this makes a difference for me, if I prefer one way over the other. Okay, so on the finger side it did end up kind of going onto the lid as well, and I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but the one on the finger side looks a little more shimmery. I think that the one with the brush side looks more smooth, but I kind of guess it just depends on what you want. I kind of want more of that shimmer, so I'm just going to go back on the side that I used with a brush and pat some more on so that there's a little bit more shimmer. That is a really pretty shade, just for like every day if you wanted to dust something in the crease. That's really pretty. Okay, next we're going to be taking the shade Light Up. So I'm just going to take this on my finger just because I think their shimmers work better just to pack on with your finger. So I'm just going to take this and pack this right on the lid. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. So if you kind of just like, if you can see a difference between my eyes right now, if you look at this one, it looks a little more opaque. You can lightly like tap this on your eye and it gives just kind of like an overlay of shimmer, which I kind of like it, or you can like really pack it on to give more of a color, as I can tell with this eye. So just to make them match, I'm just going to add more color, but if you just wanted kind of like an overlay of shimmer, just like lightly tap it on. Okay, so that's what the eyeshadow's looking like. I think it's really pretty. I think these 2 shades go really well together. I think it would look a little better if there was something in my outer V that was just like a little bit darker, but I just did want to use these 2 shadows to show what they look like on the lids, but I think they look really pretty. Okay, now to zoom you guys out just a tad, we are going to swatch all of these lip products on my lips. So first we're actually going to start with the ultra glossy lips, and first this is the one called Etoile. I don't know, I think that's French and I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is the light shimmery pink one in the collection. Now these do have that brush applicator. Okay, so here's what this one looks on me. I will do a little close-up in a minute. I think it's really pretty. It's definitely out of my comfort zone, but it's not too like metallic that it's like scaring me off, if that makes any sense. I think that the brush applicator on their ultra glossy lips makes it easier to get more precise application. The lip gloss doesn't feel super goopy on my lips or anything, but it is transferring onto my teeth, but that's kind of like a given. Lip gloss always transfers onto my teeth. And I didn't put anything on underneath the lip gloss. This is just its true pigment, and then along with my lip color underneath, like my natural lip color. Alright, so next to test the next one, we are going to be doing the ultra glossy lip in the shade Nightlight. And this is a really pretty, like bronzy, very shimmery, not really metallic lip gloss. And so just applying this one again, and this is just on my natural lips, no lip liner or anything. Okay, so here is this one on my lips. It is very pretty and very shimmery. It does feel a bit, just a bit like you can feel the shimmers in there, but not like super gritty, you know what I mean? But this one is really pretty. This one is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I truly want to wear this somewhere. This would be like the perfect like holiday-esque lip with like minimal makeup, and then your lip is just like the center of attention. All right, so I think next we are going to try the Ultra Matte in the kit. So this is the shade Little Star, and it is a super pretty color. So we're just gonna try this on, and I'm gonna save the red for last because I have a feeling it's gonna stain if I tried to do it before this one, and I think it would look cuter with my shirt. Okay, so ignore the fact that my lips are not even, but this is a gorgeous color. I have actually never tried one of Colourpop's Ultra Matte lips. I have really chapped lips, like really dry all the time, so I don't know how much that I will like this formula, but the shade is incredible. I'm in love. It is very pretty. Application, again, they have a regular doe foot on this, so it was really easy to put on and get precisely. I just don't know about the formula. It's already drying down and my lips already feel like they want moisture, but I could just put like a lip balm or something underneath it and call it a day. Okay, so my lips are actually dying right now, so if they look really strange, it's because they are really strange right now and they hurt. But the last one that we're going to put on is this one in the Ultra Satin Lip, and this is in the shade Lucky Star. It's the beautiful red in the collection, very holiday lip. So this is the last one. Yes. Here is the last one in the collection. This is this beautiful, stunning red color, and I am so in love with this. I have been really into reds recently. It's just a perfect red color, especially for the holidays, and I really love this one. I think this might be my favorite one in the collection. I don't know. I really like them. Again, this one just had a regular doe foot on it. It was super easy to apply. I did kind of overline my lips, so in the close-up, just ignore my application because my lips hurt and I had to overline to compensate for the redness that my lips are. So anyway, yeah, that is this collection. I did want to mention, if you were curious about her previous collections, like this one looking close to Rev, or this one looking close to like Miami Fever. I'm going to swatch those side by side really quick so you guys can see. Okay, so like I was saying, at first when I saw her launch this collection, I was a little concerned that these shades might look similar to her other ones, which looking at them now, they don't, but like online. So I did want to kind of do like a swatch to show you that they are different. So I did just swatch her new one right here. This is the red in the shade Lucky Star, and then I'm going to take one of her previous collections. This is in the shade Rev. This one's a much orange. It's orange. It's not even like red, but I don't know why I was concerned when I saw the two that they might be kind of similar, but this is definitely like a deep red, and Rev is definitely a bright orange color. Then taking her other one right here, this is in the shade Little Star. So I was kind of concerned that this might look similar to either Miami Fever or Havana Nights. So here we have the one in Little Star. Okay, as you can see here, this is Little Star right here in the middle, and then right here is Miami Fever, and then right there is Havana Nights. So they definitely are different. On camera, these two look a lot more similar than they do in real life, but the Little Star is kind of almost like if you took these two, Havana Nights and Miami Fever, and kind of mixed them together, and then maybe it created that. I don't know. It's kind of more mauve-y, but they are definitely different. Just in case you were worried about something like that, I didn't want to let you guys know. Alright guys, so that is everything I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know down below if you are deciding to pick anything up from the collection, or if you already got it, and what you guys think of it. Again, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me. I love you guys. And I did want to mention again my 100 subscribers giveaway. So once we reach 100 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway on my channel. So let's look forward to that. Again, let your friends know, let everyone come over here. It'll be a party. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to me. I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.